Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday, Saturday, July the 3rd, 2021, because today it's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I've decided to finish the puzzles of yesterday's additional, and we have two puzzles left, the two-star Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one with 2 stars will be number 3047. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say a puzzle with 25 printed digits is more difficult than a puzzle with 26 printed digits. Sometimes you have bad luck, a lot of pairs you have, or hidden numbers. So you cannot always tell, but generally, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Yes. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. I see here in this big square 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers. We have 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers. No. Wait. Let me start with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the column next, the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We see here 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and a 6. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. The 2 in this column. The 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 4 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. The 2 and 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 3 and 8. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used. I can see this number 1, number 2. Alright. Then. We have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column 3 in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. And now. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Yeah. How about the number? 7. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Which number shall I pick? We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about... Yeah. 9, 5, 8. All right. I'm thinking. We have a pair. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have a 7 and a 4 in this middle column. So no 7 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. We have a 7 and a 4 in this row. So no 7 and a 4 in that box. So the 7 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Here we have 7 and 4. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 4 and the 7. The other pair should be the 6 and the 3. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 5. How about those two numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The last pair in this big square. Here we have the 3 and a 5, 7 and a 4. So those two numbers are the numbers 9 and the 6. Yes, 9 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. And look, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 5. 4, 7, 5. 4, 7, 5. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. One box left in this third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright, now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes. And I'm very, very pleased with the time, because for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I solved this in 13 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today on Sunday. Yes, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.